Hey, what's up? Today, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos look amazing with color grading in Adobe Premiere Pro 2025. Whether you're going for that cinematic vibe or you just want your colors to pop, I've got some easy tips to share. Let's jump in. And by the way, if you subscribe, like, and comment, I will send you a free LUT pack. Okay, so after I import my footage, I'm gonna drag it to my timeline, and automatically Premiere Pro 2025 will detect that it's a Blackmagic RAW file. So on the effects control, I will click on the clip so it can decode the clip, and I can use the Blackmagic conversion LUT. Okay, so as you can see, it's the Gen 5 color science. The white balance is short, color space Blackmagic design, gamma Blackmagic design film. As you can see, it was shot on ISO 800. I can decide to do ISO 650, blah blah blah, and so on, but I will go with 800. Yeah, and highlight recovery is auto selected, gamut compression auto selected, and I will just need to apply the LUT just like that, and automatically, as you can see, I've converted my Blackmagic footage from RAW to something that looks a little bit presentable. Okay, now on the next step, we're jumping straight to Lumetri Color, and I will begin with the basic color correction. Where you can see our clip is a little bit cold. I want to go for something a little bit different, so I'll warm up the temperature a little bit. Just like that. And I'll increase the tint just a teeny tiny bit. Okay, now I will go straight to the highlights and increase the highlights just a teeny tiny bit. Let's say around there. And increase the shadows just a little bit. Okay. Now after that, I will decrease the whites a little bit and the blacks. Let me increase the blacks actually. Just a little bit. That's nice. You can see the before and after. Let's go. So after that, I'm jumping to the creative panel where I'll just add a teeny tiny bit of vibrance just to make sure all the under saturated parts are equally saturated. And if you don't know something about vibrance and saturation, they're two different things. Yeah, so the saturation basically increases colors whether it's on the low side or the high side. So if you use the saturation slider, you will be increasing color in both the oversaturated parts of your video and the undersaturated. But if you use the vibrance, you'll only be saturating the undersaturated parts in your video, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, so a little bit of vibrance. Then after that, I'm gonna jump straight to curves, where I will create a point here, here, and here. I will bring this down a little bit. just a little bit. Pick this up just a little bit. That's the highlights. So this is the highlight part of the video, and these are the shadows. These are the midtones. Yeah. I'll bring this up just a notch. Same as here, I'll bring it down just a notch. Okay, so after that, still on the curves, I'll click on the reds. I'll do the same thing at a point here, here, and here. And now I want to increase this part of the curve. Just a little bit. Something like that. And I'll bring it down on the highlights just a teeny tiny bit. All right. Now I'll go to the blues. Do the same thing. Add a point here, here, and here. Increase this just a little bit. Okay. So after that, I'll slide down and go straight to the color wheels and match. And over here, I think the midtones are a little bit cool, so I'm gonna go to the warmer tones just a little bit. Just like that. And on the shadows, I'm gonna go on the cold a little bit, just like that. And on the highlights, I'll go to the warmer tones just a teeny tiny bit. So after that, I'll jump straight to the HSL secondary, where I'll click on the reds. Okay, I'll enable this so that I can see what it has selected, and I can play with this just a little bit. All right. Let me add a little bit of blur in it. Just like that. Now click invert. So basically, I'm trying to separate my subject from the background and make the background a little bit chill, because as you can see on my stylistic approach, somehow the subject is competing with the background, so you can't tell. So I'll add a little bit of teal. Remember, I just clicked invert, so whatever I'm adding is gonna apply basically on the background and everything else apart from the skin tone. Okay, after that, I'll decrease the contrast just a little bit. Yeah. And I'm gonna add a little bit of vignette. Okay guys, so let's open the last step where we're gonna add a new adjustment layer. drag it to our timeline. And in this part, I'm going to the creative panel because I'm trying to add a look to what we have so far. Okay. So I'm gonna scroll through some of the looks that come pre-installed in Premiere Pro. And by the way guys, if you subscribe, like and comment down below, I will send you a free LUT pack. So let me scroll on some of the LUTs. I can just use clean codec B, and on the clean codec B, I'm gonna reduce its intensity. That's about it guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment down below, and just tell me whatever you want me to do next, be it a tutorial, whether you want me to go live or anything, I'ma do it. Feel free. Anyway guys, without further ado, peace.